Hi, I'm Travis with Generag. Today we're going to diagnose an AFS Connect quad with no power in the cab. Let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to come to the right-hand side of the tractor to the battery compartment. We're going to check our battery voltage using a test light or a multimeter to make sure we have good battery voltage. And also, we're going to check our battery connections to make sure we have good contact. If you're like me, I like to physically take them off, clean them, and put them back on to make sure I have good contact. The second thing we need to check is behind the right-hand service door, where we'll find the rotary disconnect switch. We need to make sure that it is on. You'll also find 2 jump posts in case the batteries are down and need charged. The third thing we need to check is to the right of the seat in the fuse panel. We need to check all of our fuses to make sure that they all have good continuity. The main one we need to check is number 1 fuse, which is our wake-up fuse. The fourth check we're going to do is underneath the right-hand side of the cab on the automatic battery disconnect switch. There's 2 red cables going to the back side of the switch. Make sure to have 12 volts on each cable. The last check we have is checking the red power cable underneath the left rear bottom of the cab to make sure it's tight. Thanks for watching. For more tractor tips, hit the like and subscribe. If you have any other questions, give us a call.